The cops got luck, but it's not enough for the office. Welcome to Fluent American's Quick Twist, where we take a look at one or two sounds, study it with a quick practice sentence. My name is Geoff, and today we're looking at the ah and the sound, like in stop versus luck. To make the ah sound, you want to open your mouth wide and lower your tongue, so that way lots of air can go through your mouth. It should sound like ah, ah, like in lock, lock. To make the schwa sound, you want your mouth to be pretty relaxed. It will be slightly closed, and the front of your tongue will be a little bit high. It should sound like like in luck, luck. Hot, hut, hot, hut. Rob, rub, rob, rub. Shot, shut, shot, shut.
1, 2, 3.
The cops got luck, but it's not enough for the office. Office. Enough for the office. The cops got. The cops got luck. Not enough. The cops got luck, but it's not enough for the office. That concludes this Fluent American Quick Twist on the ah and the sound. For more information on both of these, be sure to visit our website at fluentamerican.com and also check out our other social media pages on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Be sure to also check out our Facebook group, the Fluent American English Pronunciation Group, where we post several times during the week additional practice sentences and activities to help you improve your pronunciation. My name is Geoff. Thank you so much for your time. We'll see you in our next video.